Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to select blank slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to select blank slide in this presentation. Firstly, go to the slide bar. We can see here many slides and some blank slide, but these slides are not one by one. Now we want to select this specific blank slide. Firstly select a slide, then press Ctrl on our keyboard and select the blank slide to this presentation. Now we can see we select all blank slide very easily. You can delete this, click right button on our mouse and select the delete slide option to delete the slide. Now we can see we select blank slide very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.